Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to install Microsoft Teams desktop app in Windows 10. Copy URL from description and paste it into browser search bar. Click Download Teams. Click Download Teams. Open downloaded file. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.